Hello there. My name is Gavin Rao. I'm going to give you a brief overview of the new group for astroparticle physics, or GAP. This is the first joint group to be run under the auspices of both the ASA and the AIP. I'll be speaking to you today on behalf of the GAP Formation Committee, Hardy Bignell, Mark Doldig, Clancy James, and Yvonne Wong. We've been working together now for just over a year on the formation of the GAP, and that has been developed with a large number of community support. So the purpose of the GAP is to close the gap, so to speak, between astronomy and particle physics in Australia. This is a field known as astroparticle physics. These various images show you just the wide variety of science topics that astroparticle physics covers, including accelerators of extreme particles, cosmic rays, and so forth, which then lead to all different types of photon and particle messages, from radio all the way up to gamma rays, and particles such as neutrinos and cosmic rays directly. We also have topics such as beyond standard model physics, such as different theories of dark matter, and how we can probe those different theories using astronomical observations. There's also the particle physics of the early universe, often known as particle cosmology, and how the particle physics of the universe has influenced its evolution. And so the purpose of the GAP, or this group for astroparticle physics, is to support the professional development of the astroparticle physics community in Australia. It will promote the discipline of astroparticle physics to the community. It will help to link the national and international astroparticle communities to activities locally and overseas. It will advise the AIP and the ASA on various matters relating to astroparticle physics engagement strategies. And finally, last but not least, it will also help to support the research and education in this field and the engagement with various facilities that carry out astroparticle physics. So one of the key points of the message today is to announce that there will be a new GAP steering committee, the long-term committee that will run the GAP. The GAP committee will comprise of two co-chairs, one from the AIP and one from the ASA. There will eventually be immediate past chairs, of course. The committee will include 5 regular members, which will include the secretary and the treasurer. There will be 2 student members, and there will be 2 non-voting members, one each from the AIP executive and one from the ASA council. And so we will soon issue a call for nominations across various email lists. And I should also point out that the GAP, or the Group for Astroparticle Physics, has its own dedicated email list here, you can see. And if you wish to sign up, please follow this web address. Okay, thank you very much.